it going, YouTubers? We're going to talk today about AC preventative maintenance. Unit out. And it's something that's very expensive to have repaired when something does go out. And preventative maintenance can help that from happening. Because the last thing you want to do is get in your car and have it be 110 degrees outside and you don't have any air conditioner when you turn on your car. So first things first, one of the biggest items that's neglected is the cabin air filter. A lot of your newer cars today have a cabin air filter. Every time you turn on your air conditioner, all the air that's going through your vents is going through the cabin air filter. You can get leaves, dirt, debris, rodents get in there, all kinds of stuff. It's highly neglected. You see them all the time come in, they're just destroyed, completely caked full of dirt, rodents living in them, pooping, peeing, all kinds of mess. So most of your cabin air filters are located behind your glove box. They're generally very easy to access. So a simple YouTube search on your particular make and model on how to check out the cabin filter could save you a lot of headache there and a lot of money, actually, because most of your dealerships charge you about $50 to replace one of these, and the filter is only about $5. Your second item that gets neglected a lot is just simply cleaning out your condenser. Your condenser is essentially right in front of the radiator, and it's the first item that air from outside while you're driving down the road hits. So any debris from, say, you're falling behind a hay truck or dirt out in the road, bugs, all this stuff gets into there and prevents air from flowing through. When air doesn't want to go through, it allows the temperature of the condenser to get high, causing high pressures, could blow out seals, and all kinds of other problems could happen. All you really have to do is get into the front of your vehicle through the grill, hose it down, spray some simple green in there to get some of the debris out, help wash it all down. The other way to get in is you open your hood and there's a cover right at the top. Just a couple clips, pull it off, and you can reach in there with an air hose and blow it all out. Item number 3 is going to be your wiper cowl. Wiper cowl is underneath the hood. You pop the hood, it's right there next to where the wiper arms are. And there's going to be leaves and all kinds of stuff stuck in there. You want to go ahead and try to get as much out that out as you can, because what's going to happen is if you leave it there, it's going to get into your cabin air filter. And if you don't have a cabin air filter, it'll actually get into your air duct system, your fan. It'll start clogging all kinds of things up, making it to where your system doesn't blow as much air, so it's not going to feel as cool, as well as the system's not going to work the way it should because air is not flowing through the evaporator core like it should. The fourth item is a little bit different. It's less required. You don't have to do it as often. It's an as needed kind of thing. It's going to be a HVAC box evaporator core cleaning. This requires some parts. I'm going to be making a video on how to do this here pretty soon, but essentially what you're going to do is you're purchasing a cleaner that you spray into your air conditioning box that's inside the car, and it foams up and helps get rid of any bacteria and odors that may be in there. This is more so for people with higher mileage that are already starting to have issues of their air smelling maybe dirty. This service will get rid of that. The last thing you're going to check is going to be your engine cooling system and belts. You're going to want to make sure that your coolant level is full and dry belts are all in good condition and not cracked. I hope you found this video helpful. With any questions, please put them in the comments below. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.